Welcome back to Boostpad Academy Computer Training course. This is my second video on this series. In this video, I will be discussing about the components of computer system. So, what are the components of computer system? Computer is made up of two parts. What are the parts? The first one is hardware, and we have software. Those are the two parts in which the computer component can be divided into. So let's start with the hardware. What is hardware? This is the physical component of the computer system that can be seen or touched. All those parts, all those things that we are looking at that make us to realize, okay, this is a computer, that's what we call the hardware, because we are able to identify them because we see them, we can touch them. So all those parts that can be seen and touched are the one we call the hardware. Examples of the hardware in the computer system are the keyboard, which we use for typing. We have the monitor, the screen, the one like television that we are looking at, that's the monitor. We have the mouse, that's more one that we are using to control the pointer that we see dancing on the screen, that is the mouse. And we have the CPU, that is the central processing unit. Those are the major components of a computer system. So if you are not talking about the software, what is software? This is an invisible component of a computer system that cannot be seen or touched. The software, we cannot see it, we cannot touch it, but without it, the computer cannot work. That is what brings life to the computer, just like the way human being, as we have the dead. If we have two different persons on the ground, one is dead and the other one is sleeping, we can hardly differentiate between the two of them. But by the time we touch them, we will realize that one is breathing. What is bringing that breathing is life. That life is exactly like the software in the computer system. That is what brings life to the hardware. Without the software, so there is nothing we can do on the computer system. Examples of software are the Windows, that is the operating system, Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows 2007, 2008, 2010. All those Windows are examples of software. The Microsoft Word, the CorelDraw, those are the examples of software. So by the time we get to the software properly, I will be explaining everything in detail. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, like the video and share it with others. So in the next video, that is where I will be discussing about the computer hardware. What are the computer hardware? We will look at all this hardware in details. As you can see from that background where we have the monitor, the keyboard, all those things, everything will be discussed in the next video in details. Thank you very much. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube as well as my Facebook page and other channel.